present participle, past participle.
What book are you reading?
I am reading Peter Pan.
Why do you like the board game?
It's very interesting. I can buy buildings and hotels in this game. I am very excited. Our team won the game.
I am a little disappointed. Our team lost.
Grammar tips.
Tips for present participle. The present participle is the ing form of verbs. It is used from a continuous tense. It's used as an adjective form. And it's used as an objective complement.
Examples.
Here are some examples. I am speaking. This is continuous tense. It keeps going. He is playing soccer. The movie is interesting. Interesting is the adjective form. This game is boring. I saw the man walking. Walking is the objective complement.
Right and wrong.
Now for the right and wrong section. The first one says, "Are you listen?" This is wrong. It's a continuous tense, so we need ing. The correct sentence is, "Are you listening?" The next one says, "Is this story bored?" Story is a thing, so the adjective should have boring, ing. The correct sentence is this story boring?" I see him to swim across the river. This is an objective complement, so we need ing on swim. The correct sentence is, I see him swimming across the river.
Grammar tips.
Tips for past participle. Past participle is the ed form of verbs. Some verbs have irregular forms. Past participle is used from perfect tenses. It's also used from passive voice and adjective form. We will learn perfect tenses and passive voice later in this book.
Examples.
Here are some examples. I have written stories before. This is the perfect tense. Written is the past participle. He has been here for 2 hours. English is spoken. Here we have spoken is the past participle. This is passive voice. The mail will be sent to him. She was excited. Excited is the past participle. It's the adjective form. He was bored.
Right and wrong.
Now look at the right and wrong section. The first one says, I am interested in the game. I is a person. So the adjective form should have ed. The correct sentence is, I am interested in the game. The next one says, I am tiring of the food. I is a person. So the adjective should have ed. The correct sentence is, I am tired of the food.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. My dad is running on the track. We have the word is, so it's continuous tense. We need ing. The correct sentence is, my dad is running on the track. The movie was scary. Sam was scary, of sleeping alone. Sam is a person, so the adjective should have ed on the end. The sentence should be, the movie was scary. Sam was scared of sleeping alone. My family has living here for over 10 years. With the word has, it would be past tense. So we need lived. My family has lived here for over 10 years.
Quiz.
Circle the correct sentence. A. The movie was bored. B. The movie was boring. Movie is a thing, so we put ing on the adjective. The answer is B. The movie was boring. A. We were found a clue. B. We were finding a clue. We have the be verb were, so we need ing. The correct answer is B. We were finding a clue. A. How did this glass get breaking? B. How did this glass get broken? Here we have passive voice. So we need to pick B. How did this glass get broken? A. People were excited for the final game. B. People were exciting for the final game. For people, you need to put ed on the adjective. The correct answer is A. People were excited for the final game. Find the mistake and correct it. He was cut wood at that time. We have the be verb was. So cut should have ing. The correct sentence is he was cutting wood at that time. We were very exciting about the news. We means people. So exciting should be changed to excited. We were very excited about the news. John is swum in the pool. We have the be verb is. So swim should have ing. John is swimming in the pool. It's an interested zoo. There is even a hippo show. Zoo is a thing. So the adjective should have ing. It's an interesting zoo. There is even a hippo show. I am so tiring. I will get some sleep. I is a person, so the adjective should have ed. I am so tired. I will get some sleep. It's dark and silent. I am scary. I is a person. Scary should be scared. It's dark and silent. I am scared. Make a sentence using the words below. The first one says, in Tom, the town, for 7 years, has lived. You write, Tom has lived in the town for 7 years. The second one says, the town, he, in, is excited about living. You write, he is excited about living in the town. The third one says, and the park is, place, exciting. The park is an exciting place. It, round park, is called. It is called Round Park. The next one says, meeting, the park, Emily, in, Tom is. Tom is meeting Emily in the park. And the last one says, are books reading they? You write, they are reading books.